Yes. Next topic, superscript element. Superscript element is used to display the text of above the normal line of text. Superscript element is used to display the text of above the normal text of the text. This is the output. Observed a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this output, before superscript opening bracket, superscript closing bracket. How to use this one in program? HTML head title superscript title closing bracket, heading closing bracket, body A superscript opening bracket 2 superscript closing bracket. Why? Because A square. A is the normal text. Super means up. Superscript number, what is that? 2. So 2 before opening bracket, superscript closing bracket after 2. Next B, normal plus B, plus indicated, and B also. B squares 2 before again superscript and superscript closing bracket plus normal to AB. Body close, HTML also close here. So in this way, practically I am explaining you display the A square plus B square plus 2AB. Any formula. I am explaining another formula also in this one. Now practically. See here, HTML head title superscript heading closing bracket body A superscript, what is the number? 2 superscript closing plus B superscript, what is the number? 2 superscript 2 opening bracket and closing bracket before and after, normally 2AB, body closing, HTML also closing. In this way you write the x square y square plus 2xy also write here. No problem. I am try it in this program. Another one. Now output. See, this is the superscript output. 2 A is the normal text. 2 before what I am given, superscript opening bracket and after superscript closing bracket. B normal writing along with the plus 2 again superscript opening bracket and closing bracket plus normal writing 2AB also normal to write. Understand this program? So next program what I am explains, subscript. What I am explaining, subscript. Anyone first saw my channel, please subscribe and like and share and comment. Before I am explaining strike element and big element, mark test, underline, bold, italic, all explain. In this all our videos available my channel. Please subscribe and like. And the next video I am explain subscript. Meet to next video. Thank you.